Let's try that. Let's do it slow and then we'll try fast, okay? So all of you sit down on me. And spread out so you guys don't cover the person behind you. Remember? Ready? 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you tap one on your right leg. The 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Get up. 4. Then back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you leave. And then fold your feet up. You go that way. It's okay. No, so honey, you follow her. Remember, you follow Hasni. You just learn her name. And then you'll be in front of Kamachi, okay? So when you guys are walking out, can you guys try to do this? So you do heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Can you try that? So take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and try to take big steps.